So, nag-iisip ka if kukuha ka ng property. Meron kang mga options like pre-selling or ready for occupancy. So, when we say kasi pre-selling, ito yung under construction, under development pa lang, wala pa masyadong nakikita improvements. So, most of the time, ang maririnig ninyo when it comes to pre-selling properties, mas mababa ang presyo nito kumpara sa mga ready for occupancy properties na wherein ready na yung amenities, ready na ang building, ready na ang unit. Pwede mo nang malipatan kaagad. So, one of the main advantage talaga when you get a free selling property, if you're not a cash buyer, it's the payment term. Dahil mas friendly ito, mas magaan, hindi siya nagre-require ng upfront payment kaagad. Normally, ang nire-require lang is the reservation fee and yung required na down payment yung 10%, 15%, or 20% sometimes is pwedeng maging installment. And pwede mo siyang hulugan ng walang interest during the construction stage. Then yung nagiging balance, yun yung kailangan natin ina-apply sa housing loan or pwede rin siyang bayaran ng cash or partial cash. While when it comes to ready for occupancy units, yes, meron namang mga friendly na payment terms ang ready for occupancy properties, but madalang na lang. And normally, yung mga total contract price ng mga to, medyo mas mataas na siya compared sa mga pre-selling. So at the end of the day, depende pa rin yan sa needs mo, sa financial capacity mo, and sa timing mo. So if you are someone na willing to wait naman, hindi ka nagmamadali, medyo mas marami kang advantage na makukuha during the pre-selling stage. And as long as reputable ang developer, may proper licenses, makakasiguro ka na there will be a timely turnover yung property na pinupurchase mo. So if ever you're thinking of pre-selling properties, meron tayo dito sa Pangasinan, send me a message so I can assist you.